Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got a Volkswagen Amarok today with the actual 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel. On this one here, CSHA engine. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. Today I'm doing a thermostat, which is this one here. This is your engine main thermostat that sits underneath the intake manifold, which is really here. Sits over there. See that hole there? That's where it goes, and I'm waiting on a little. See that little O-ring there? See that little O-ring there? It's all pretty squashed. So I'm waiting for a new one to come from VW, because they didn't give me that. That wasn't part of the thermostat. But that's the O-ring there. You must replace that O-ring, otherwise everything will leak again. And I'm waiting on them to see if they can give me a thermostat. A oil cooler gasket as well for this car here. But look at that. Everything had to come out on this side here. Pretty much pipes, harness, like pretty much all this here. I have to take the bottom rails off. All this got to come off. That's the one I'm talking about. I'm just using this to rejuvenate the rubber. Usually works all the time. If VW don't have some, I can actually just reuse that. They become soft in the morning, and I can reuse it. It's only rubber. They're not broken as well. Oil cooler, pipes, throttle body, EGR valve, pipes, and power steering pump. As you can see here, there's your power steering pump. I took it off, and then the alternator just sitting down. Took the alternator off as well, so I can get to the actual thermostat from here. At the same time, you got to remove this as well, top pipe, so you can. Oil cooler has to come off, so you can move that pipe back and forth. Because the thermostat is like this. It goes on like this. Goes on like that. This way, it goes on this way, but you got a hose goes on this pipe here. Another hose goes on the bottom one. But this part here, this part there, slides on like that onto this pipe here that I was showing before. Onto that pipe there, this one here. So, but that's why you gotta replace that O-ring, otherwise it will leak. All right. There's a lot of ways you can do this. You can actually support the engine in top and remove the subframe on the bottom, and the engine but this is the best way to do it. Doing it this way, so that way you can actually check all the other hoses for anything that's leaking. All right. So I've got a light there, so you can see it better. There's that hose I was talking about. That one there. Okay, my part's coming tomorrow. That's why I have to wait for that. Once my parts get here, I'll assemble everything back up and then start it up, and I'm going to get a new coolant temp as well, because that's never been done. This one here was, the temperature was idling between 100 110, should be at 90, so we're just replacing that. Everything else been done, water pump's done, and on this car and a timing belt. But I'm just doing the thermostat and then the other stuff as well. But I'm going to clean all this as well. Have a look in there. See how dirty that is? I've got to clean that as well. And I want to clean the throttle body as well, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.